Component of data mining. The data mining architecture includes several components. This diagram shows the what are the major component of data mining. Data mining architecture include various components. In this diagram we show database, data warehouse, other data repositories, knowledge base, and some components which are internally involved in the computer component data mining architecture. First, we consider the data sources. Data sources are the lower level, which includes various resources where the data collected. Now the data come from various resources like internet, web, text, spreadsheet, and so many forms are where the data are collected. These data collected, then the data convert to the data also come from the databases. These data collected data convert into databases. Database is the collection of data in a specific form. Data mining also include the data from data warehouse. Data warehouse is specific data for the data mining purpose. Next component we have data mining engine. Data mining engine is the main component of data mining architecture. It involves various modules, various components, subcomponent which perform data mining processes which apply the on the database or data warehouse data. The data come from the database and data warehouse. Filtered, cleaning and data integration methods are applied on the databases, and the data form into the intermediate form. Database and data warehouse server store these intermediate form data, and data mining engine perform association, characterization, classification, clustering, prediction, time series analysis on that intermediate data. Data mining engine main purpose to apply various methodologies, data mining methodologies over the data. After applying the data mining methodologies, pattern evaluation model, and after analyzing the data mining engine gives the certain patterns, certain values, related information which helpful for the upper layer. Then we have last graphical user interface. User interface GUI is the interface between the user and the data mining system. Knowledge base contain user view and data from user experiences that might be helpful in the data mining process. The data mining engine may receive input from a knowledge base to make the result more accurate and reliable. These major components include in the typical data mining system.